other industries, and they can be made only with very good pyrolysis equipment with a lot of temperature control. The idea in the BIOChar reactor, you control the time and the temperature and the biomass you want to use. So that's a caution for industrial application. We are talking of many products. General is farm level production using the waste. So that's important to remember that there are two big sections: industrial grade, high quality, and general purpose. General purpose are being made in Hyderabad by one Arena company, Arena Agriculture. They are making a pit method, soil pit method, like someone is using a tooled equipment available on the net. We gave him the design of the tooled equipment. There's another equipment being sold which you have kiln of fire. So they are kiln of fire is an American design approved by the carbon credit companies also, and that is available, that is selling. So this is one caution, that quality of BIOChar is very important for different applications. General grade tooled equipment cannot be used for industrial grade. You can't meet the specifications. Coming to second number one is availability of BIOChar. You must have read in the paper, government is promoting biomass for ethanol production, biomass for pellet production. Anil Kumar sahab bata sakte hain. So there's a lot of competition for biomass. I was discussing this morning with the Vice President of Badachalna Paper Board. He said all the biomass, including agri biomass, collated form will become expensive. What he has done is, there's our friend Chandrasekhar, the ITC is selling at 1 rupee a kg, which is low. That will also go to 3 or 4 rupees per kg. So biomass will become expensive and availability will be a problem. We have to work with people like Forest Development Corporation, Telangana Forest Development Corporation, to assure that long-term contracts are available. So these are the collaborations. Now collaborations are available abroad. We got some quotation. A imported plant with good control costs minimum 3 to 4 crores. It starts with 2 crores and goes up to 5 crores, depending on the capacity. Whereas Indian plants, Indian economy can't afford that cost today. We're a low cost economy. So we will go for simpler equipment. I hope the equipment Dr. Reddy's lab, Dr. Reddy Foundation is putting, will be a modern instrumented equipment meant for industrial application. That is also in Hyderabad. Hyderabad, as we said earlier also, 4 people are making BIOChar already. Our friend here, Mr. Chandrasekhar, then Aranya, everything, they're making cotton stocks. Kana Shanti Vanam is making BIOChar and using it very well. So 3 companies we know which are already working in Hyderabad itself and making BIOChar. But availability of biomass would be a caution word.